Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about snowblowers and why it's important to run a fuel stabilizer in your gasoline. So before I run into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling on the snowblower stuff. Alright, so what happens is with the new gas, the newer gas that's been out for a while now, it has a lot of ethanol in it. So it tends to separate and it tends to go bad, within a few weeks. So with that said, if you have old gas stored in your snowblower, snowblowers tend to sit around for a while, let's face it. So if you have gas that's been sitting around, for a few weeks in your snowblower, what happens is it starts to separate a little bit. When it starts to separate, if you've ever seen it, it almost looks like Italian salad dressing. So, it'll get maybe a little lighter, a little darker at the top, and there's another separation at the bottom. So if you get a fuel stabilizer like a Statron, what it'll do is it'll help to prevent that from happening. It'll stabilize the gas and it'll keep the gas good for a lot longer period of time. So if you add the product like Statron to your gas, what it'll actually do too is as you're running the snowblower, it'll help to clean out the carburetor and help to get some of the gum and gunk out of there. So it'll enable your snowblower to run a lot better for a longer period of time. So let's face it, there's nothing worse than having 2 feet of snow outside of your door. I got a storm coming tonight. That's kind of why I'm doing this video, reminding me of it. And you go to start up your snowblower, you'll pull the thing or you use the electric start 20 times and won't fire. And now you have all the snow to get rid of. Even worse, you're out there and your snowblower is working good, and now it starts to sputter and backfire and everything else because the gas over time has built up a lot of varnish and gunk inside that carburetor. A fuel stabilizer like this will help to prevent that. So like I said, it'll keep the gas from going bad. In turn, that'll cut down on the amount of gunk and varnish that builds up in the carburetor over time. The Statron's pretty good. It'll actually help to clean out that stuff out of there and to keep your machine running good. So what you can typically do is pick up a bottle of Statron. They sell it at your local auto parts store or your hardware store may have it. It's pretty easy to get. You add it, read the back for the directions, you add it into your fuel can, and then mix it with some fresh gas at the gas station. And that way there, all the gas going into your snowblower would have stabilizer in it. You shouldn't have any problems. So I just did a review on this gas can as well. It's a Garage Boss gas can. And it has a button up here. So you push the button in and then you fill up your snowblower with it. So this makes it easier too, because it's not a spout that you press into the tank of your snowblower. Gas spills all over the snowblower tank onto the hot motor. This is an easy way to fill it. It's a lot less mess, if any mess at all. I think it works great. I've used it a bunch of times. So click on the card right here and it'll take you over to this gas can review if you want to check that out. Just wanted to explain to you guys why it's important to add fuel stabilizer to your gas and show you, a product that made my life a little bit easier and some tips and tricks along the way. So when there's 2 feet of snow out there, more than likely your machine will run a lot better than it would have without the stabilizer because it cuts down on the varnish. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you get all of our latest and greatest uploads. And I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.